heard from us, and that's because we are in
Cuba.
Cuba, and in Cuba internet connection is not so good. That's why you haven't heard from us. But it's now 2 months since we are here. We had the chance to visit a lot and to find out that Cuba is not only about beach life and not only music. There's more of that.
Not only revolution either.
No,
A lot of culture, a lot of nice people. We had beautiful encounters. So we really liked Cuba.
special landscapes as well, we found out, and we are soon going to be back home to start working on the next issue, where you can find all the wonderful things we discovered here in Cuba.
And although it's a very complex country because of its history and because of its situation, we learn to travel in it the way we pretty much like. So by motorcycle. So we did that for 10 days.
But we also did it with the trucks, with our backpacks, traveled the way locals do. There are not enough buses to serve everybody, so there's a lot of trucks that serve to commute passengers, and that's how we did it.
And now the aim is also to leave you with some impressions. Oh, by the way, we will have a Facebook Live 12th of March at 8 p.m. Luxembourg time. So and there we will have a Q&A, so anybody can ask us questions, how to do this or what we experienced and how we felt about it, etc. So prepare your questions. Any questions, shoot ahead.
And if you haven't found out where we are yet, have a look. We are in Havana, and this is the famous Malecon.
Yes, the meeting point of the Habaneros.
In the evening. Now it's too hot for that. Only tourists are under the sun.
But look, what a sight. What a sight. Beautiful, eh?
See you later.
See you
Bye.
later. Bye.